Alright folks, we're going to do some speed runs today. I've got my boats piled up in my truck and I brought y'all out here to the lake, finally. Unfortunately, it has decided to rain on me. So I have to run it in this little pocket right here, which is actually a pretty good area. But this little breakaway here kind of prevents any of the wind that's coming from this way. So I'm going to run the Dominator on 6S. And right now I have a ABC 1715 prop on the rear, and we're gonna take it out. It's the first time I've ever ran it on the lake, so kind of excited to see what kind of speed we get. Whew! All right, get y'all zoomed in. I'm running the gensace bashing packs because they are pretty lightweight and they fit this hole really well. I've never ran this prop, so I don't know how it'll do. Wow, I can hear the echo really loud. It's plowing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in, and I'm gonna raise up the trim tabs. Let's see. Got 46 miles an hour out of that. Alright, so I've went up on all 4 trim tabs, and I went up 1.5 revolutions on the rear strut. Okay, round 2 after the adjustment. Oh yeah, a lot quicker. Can already tell it's faster. Alright, let me climb back up to the top of the hill here. Now, preferably, I would like to be out there on the dock, but because you get out there, water gets a little bit rougher. I'm trying to use this as a little windbreak here, so. That ain't bad. That was a pretty good rip. Let's see. Okay, 50 miles an hour. I'm going to say that's probably that prop. Limitations of that prop. Because it was actually riding pretty smooth there. Let's do a little turn here and come by and show you the ride height. Yeah, I'm going to say maybe it still needs to go up a little bit. I had the strut position down for kind of like bashing it in the pond. I assume with running a new prop and a different set of batteries, I'll need to more or less neutralize the rear strut. I'm gonna bring it back in. I'm gonna make the rear strut neutral, and I'm gonna put a different prop on it. Okay, so all we got was 49 miles an hour out of this. So now this is based off of the WFly GPS, not off of the Dynamite GPS. So this is a 1.7 by 1.5 pitch. Now I believe that equates to around 42 to 43 millimeters. Now this is a 42 millimeter by 1.9 pitch. So this is a hell of a lot more aggressive pitch. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this does. As you can see, the last run that I got 49 miles an hour. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try this one. Okay, this will be test 3. It definitely ought to haul ass. It's just not as fast as I thought it would be. But right now, it's not coming up out of the water either. The front end is staying nose heavy, regardless of even if I'm putting upward trim on it. So what it is, I need to figure out where my weight distribution, where that weight distribution needs to be. Let's see what that says. Damn it. It says 9 miles an hour. There's no way. Still the same thing, 49 miles an hour. That's so crazy. I'm gonna say it's just it's plowing the nose. Guess I have the batteries too far forward. Now those were some pretty aggressive speed runs. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I don't want to over discharge anything or have nothing stupid going on inside and me just keep being greedy and trying to get more speed out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. We're gonna check temps, and I may do another prop change and a battery change, and I may stick the SMC batteries in here. Okay. Little baby Hydra. Not even hot, man. Not even hot. That's crazy. All right, let's check the motor. Motor's doing good. Okay. Huh. Nothing's hot. Nothing is hot. It's almost, I need to look at the data log on these runs, because it almost sounds like to me that like the controller's not telling the system to go to 100%. That's almost what it sounds like to me. It sounds like it's like limited to something. Like I know you can do that in the software on the Castle. You can limit like your maximum wide open throttle to 80 or whatever. It almost sounds like that's it, but I doubt it. I don't think I did anything stupid like that. But okay, everything looks good inside there. Let's go ahead and just check the battery voltage. Okay, so we're at 3.90. So, you know, there ain't no sense in me going back out with it. I don't want to, as the voltage gets down, the amp draw will get up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw in the SRD packs, and I'll see if it acts a little bit different. And then I'm going to put a bigger prop on it. I've got the Oxidean, the yellow Oxidean prop. So I'm going to try that. Okay, I decided to use the 6500 HP packs, the green packs from SMC, and I'm going to throw the Dynamite GPS in there just to be safe. Now, I went ahead and trimmed up the rear strut a little bit more, and we're going to be using the Oxidean high rake prop. All right, so this I guess will be test number 4 with a new set of batteries and a new prop. Oh yeah, that really brought it to life. I had to move the batteries back. That was the problem the whole time. Right now I've only got one strap on each battery because I moved each battery back that far. So that's my issue. I was running it too nose heavy. Let's see. 55. Okay, yep. There we go. I got wind coming. I can feel it. She gets a little out of control. 56. All right, let's bring it in, and I'm gonna go ahead and go down with that strut just about a little 1/8 of a turn, and now I'm going to go ahead and start adjusting on my trim tabs. All right, I literally did the slightest amount of adjustment for the rear. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the top speed that I got. So I got 56 miles an hour. Now I got 60 in the small pond. So I don't know if it's because it's like overcast or what, or maybe the boat just ain't going that fast because I had it set up for speed. The fastest it's ever been had a 3-blade prop on it from ABC. Now I do not have that prop with me, unfortunately, but I just, you know, it is what it is. First time I brought it out on the lake, and you can see the wind's coming in from this way. So I've got like a small little pocket right here that's kind of somewhat smooth. So it's kind of trying to blow air this way. All right, speed test number 5.
Model speed 37 miles per hour.
Okay, so the slightest little bit of adjustment that I made had a drastic effect on it. And that was still, again, 56 miles an hour. It's rough out there. Yeah, 57 or 56. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back in. We're gonna raise the, I'm gonna undo what I did with that strut. All I did was turn it, I think, 1/3 of a revolution, which had a big effect on it. So, boy, oh boy, I'm getting tired of climbing this hill. Okay, I made the adjustments again. We're gonna go ahead and try it again.
7 miles per hour.
All right, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead right now. I'm gonna reset it, yes, and then we're gonna do a really, oh God, we're gonna do a really quick rip, because it likes to tell you the speed out the gate really fast. Whoa. That's pretty good. Yeah, 54. I think it's just the battery's getting low at this point.
Battery 6.4 volts.
I just need more time out here on a bigger body of water. It's really what it is. I need more time on a bigger body of water so I can set it up for something more than bashing. It's really leaning the way of the batteries, so probably I need to compensate for that. Typically it's the other way around. All right, I'm gonna say we're done. Okie dokie. Let's see here. Yeah, 90 on the battery. That's so crazy, man. 90 on the motor. $86 on the ESC. I mean, it runs cool. And then 51 on speed. Huh. Kinda crazy. Okay. Yeah, so 56 miles an hour. That's kind of a letdown, but I feel like I definitely found a better location for the batteries. And what I need to do, I need to take the entire battery tray here, because I had it up here for bashing it around the pond, and I need to slide it back. Because you see, the first time I had my battery chilling up here, and now my second run I moved it 2 inches back. That made a lot of big difference. So I need to move the whole sliding tray back and put more weight in the back of the boat. Okay, and then I noticed, like, when it was coming in, and as I was giving it like a hard hit, it was riding like at this angle. So instead of it riding on the center of the V-hole like this, it's plowing over to the side. So maybe I need to come up with these trim tabs and go down with these trim tabs and try to level the boat back out. But we'll have to do that on another trip.